wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Get ready with me. I do not do these often because when I am getting ready, I am usually rushing, which I am doing right now. LYS is having a gala here in Atlanta. It's just a lot going on in my brain right now. So hair is technically already done. I'm just gonna have to fix the pieces in the front in a little bit. Right now I'm focused on the makeup and the outfit. The invitation said formal black tie. I'm also working against the sun right now. The invitation said formal black tie. That, you know, no issue with that. However, it said fall colors. They also provided a mood board of like what they're going for with this event. I'll post the mood board here. I'm good when it comes to formal attire. It's the fall colors, because that's the dress that I want to wear tonight. And I'm like, I feel like that could give fall, but really it's like a spring, summer orange. But also we're here right now, so that is what we are going to go for. What does that sound my window keeps making? And you know, just hope I don't look like a highlighter when I get there, because everyone else has really? I already know trying to film this is about to get on my nerves. I just hope by the time I get there, I'm not the only person walking around that looks like a highlighter. Ow, ow, something is in my eye. And I just noticed I only have one earring on. Okay. What is in my eye? Okay, foundation today is going to be the MAC, is it Studio Face and Body, something like that. The one that I used in that Beyonce recreation video, just because I liked how it looked. Part of me is saying, you should probably use the Patrick Ta foundation, but also, you see I'm already putting it on, so whatever happens, happens. Okay, concealer is the Fenty and the NARS concealer. I only blend it out a little bit with a brush, and then I go in with a sponge. Okay, I already used the Urban Decay pressed powder, and I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom. Be generous, especially when you have somewhere to go, somewhere you might get photographed. Make sure you set your face correctly with powder. I feel like I got some powder in my eye. Oh, I wanted to try, actually no. I was gonna say I wanted to try peachy pie again today, but stick to what you know on days where like you really can't be experiment. Stick to what you know. How fitting that I used the LYS contour stick for contour today. And then, you know, when you get like a ponytail or, oh, did I just touch that with the brush? Or a half up, half up, half down, you get a little free facelift. So face is snatched back, but can my hair, please, still gonna add a little contour. What is, see, this side's not getting on my nerves. All right, y'all, we are getting there. Time for bronzer. I'm gonna use this, if I could open it, Charlotte Tilbury. I'll be ignoring this if I know like my hair is gonna cover it. I'm gonna still do a little something there though. For blush, these Huda blushes smell amazing. You want to eat it. Oh, okay. So because I don't have any time to play games with my makeup today, I'll be using the combination of the Makeup by Mario setting spray and the L'Oreal setting spray. All right. Okay, y'all, I am about 15 minutes behind, but I am pretty much ready to go. I just have to put my shoes on. Oh, the shoes. Okay, so because the shoes I bought to be here are not going to be, they're somewhere in transit in Florida, even though they were in Georgia on Wednesday? Thursday? Something like that. Tom Ford heels. It is gold. It'll go with this gold, gold Chanel earrings, gold clutch. Listen, we're just gonna make it work, okay? Lip combo will be in the description down below. I'm now 15 minutes behind. I should have left 15 minutes ago. So that's why I just had to wrap up the process of getting ready. And the dress, you're not gonna be able to see the entire thing Like I would literally have to back all the way up. So I will insert video clips and pictures of what it looks like. And even though stressed getting there, baby, excuse me. See, now it's just the color. No, I think this can pass for fall. It's gonna have to because I already have it on and I need to leave. So, is there anything else? Oh, I didn't tell you the fragrance, hold on. I have on Mugler and oh, I lost a fingernail in the process. I'm gonna have to glue that back on before I leave. And Forever Mood, I Am Her, which they are also sponsoring tonight's event. So look, I'm wearing the sponsors to the dinner. And then I told y'all everything else, right? Wait, where's the ring I just put on my finger? Don't piss me off. I am going to figure that out and then I am going to head out. So makeup will be in the description. Hair, Kia does my hair. Y'all know, only person that does my silk presses. And then the dress is Yara. It'll be in the description down below. You can get it at Revolve. So yeah, y'all, thank you for getting ready with me. I know it's always chaotic, but such is life. Let me remember to unplug that straightener before I go. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.